Yes, friends. Hello, everyone. We all know Ford cars. This time we will discuss the issue of one of the American multinational automotive company, namely the 2025 Ford Expedition. Come on, watch the video until the end. Hopefully it's useful for all of us, and thank you for everything. Let's go. From several sources I have encountered, I have not received specific details regarding the 2025 Ford Expedition. However, I can provide some insights based on previous trends and model characteristics. The 2025 Ford Expedition is receiving significant updates, including a refreshed exterior with Range Rover-like styling cues and a redesigned interior featuring a dashboard spanning screen. It is expected to come with advanced safety features like blind spot information system and adaptive cruise control, and it aims for excellent crash test ratings. The Expedition also focuses on eco-friendliness, offering a hybrid powertrain with up to 30 mpg on the highway. The base model starts competitively, with various trims catering to different preferences and budgets. The 2025 Ford Expedition interior. The 2025 Ford Expedition features a redesigned interior that emphasizes luxury and technology. It includes a dashboard spanning screen, high-quality materials, and eco-friendly options such as recycled fabrics. The cabin is spacious, offering ample room for passengers and cargo, with advanced tech features to enhance comfort and convenience. The 2025 Ford Expedition exterior. The exterior of the 2025 Expedition has a bold, modern design with elements reminiscent of Range Rover styling. It features a robust front grille, sleek lines, and updated lighting elements, giving it a contemporary and commanding presence on the road. The 2025 Ford Expedition Spec model. The 2025 Ford Expedition Spec is expected to be a high-end trim that includes exclusive features such as premium materials, advanced safety systems, and possibly unique exterior accents. It aims to provide a top-tier luxury experience with cutting-edge technology and enhanced performance. Overall, the 2025 Ford Expedition is set to combine power, luxury, and innovation, making it a competitive choice in the full-size SUV market. For the most accurate and detailed information, including specific features and any updates for the 2025 Ford Expedition model, it's best to check the American multinational automotive company official announcements, automotive reviews, or visit a Ford Cars dealership.